How to hide friends on Facebook. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three lines on top right corner of your screen. And then again in top right beside search button, you'll find settings there. In here, scroll down till you find how people can find you. You'll find who can see your friends list on second option. Click on it. You'll find all these options. If you want to hide it completely, simply select only me. Make sure your blue circle is in only me. After that, click on save and you're good to go. This is how to have friends on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.